Sleeping. Oh, Scott sleeping after eating. Scott? What? Seconds. Suplado. Seconds. Seconds. What? 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 What do you want? Tummy's full? Ate disturbing your sleep? Huh? Ate disturbing your sleep? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, you go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. You're so cute. You are sleeping? You are sleeping? What? Okay, back to sleep. He's full. When he's full, he's lying down like that way. See, it's that Scott. Scott's so fatty because he always eating. Yeah, it's Scott. Now he's clean on his legs. He's so fat. After eating, lie down. Very good life. Having half a Scott. Very good life. How many days you don't have food? Now his tummy is full, I think. How many days he's not eating this one? Because this food is not good for him. He always like this. He must eat like this. This one, the dry food. This one is his snack. Now he want also. Ito ang pagkain niya ng ilang days. Ito once a week lang. Ayan, nigaan na niya yung pinaplansa ko. Ano ba yan, Scott? What's happening? Huh? Scott? Why are you there? Why are you there? Scott? Why are you there? What you doing there? Huh? Scott? 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 Suplado. Ay, suplado. She can't. Galit siya. She can't.